it's Frances from Your Book of Memories. I've got another project to share with you guys today. I created another second version of my Gatefold folio, but this time using the rest of the paper pad up, okay? So I did a tutorial on this particular project, and I'll leave it in the description box below. Simple Stories Faith 12 by 12 paper pad, tons of cut-aparts, absolutely awesome paper pad for Easter. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. Super quality paper as well. And only $5 at Hobby Lobby. So here's one of the cut-aparts. I just mounted it on some craft cardstock, and this is Paper Studio cardstock to wrap my covers and to assemble my different flaps and pockets. Here's the spine, and the other one, and the back. Oh, just adorable navy blue paper. I can't get enough of it. So a magnetic closure, and you open this up, and I have a 4x6 landscape waterfall, again, with a band with a magnetic closure. Fussy cut this out, this goes down, and you have place for photos, right? So awesome. And I added a little pocket on the back. Super cute. Love it, love it, love it. And it's optional, but there's no strip of design paper here. I did actually forget to include that, but that's 3/8 of an inch by 6 1/4, and you'll probably need 9 pieces of it. Okay, so that still looks really good with the craft showing. Ah, that's really, really pretty. So you put your pictures on the white part, right? And this would close up, super cute lamb inside there. And then we've got flaps on the side. Adorable succulent, right? I went along with my chalk marker, made a couple dots on there. These open up picture space, and they're actually pockets as well. Super cute. Journaling spots. Oh my gosh. Shine. And those just go tuck back in there. And then I've got these cute little tags with more journaling on the back. Super awesome. And I just fussy cut this out of one of the papers. Inspire, totally me. We got strips of the design paper there to cover the spines. And then on the left side, again, fussy cut this, and I mounted on a couple sheets of craft cardstock to make it a bit sturdier, and I stuck it on this cute little band that comes down. And again, look at this, super cute. I didn't include the strips on this one either, but that's 3/8 of an inch by 3, okay? Sorry guys, but look how adorable that looks with just the craft showing. I absolutely am obsessed with craft paper. It's just so organic, and I just love it. I added a strip of the design paper here on the back of the journaling card, right? Or the little cut apart. And then this whole flap opens to the right. We got picture space for a 4x6 photo, a couple strips of the design paper, and a place for your white gel pen would go there. Really cute for journaling about a photo here. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Super cute. I just fussy cut that out, and I stuck a lot of cut aparts in here. Anywhere from, you know, totally optional, 30 to 40 photos in here. Easy. Super cute cut aparts. Journaling space on the back. Hope, faith, miracles. Oh my gosh. I went a bit nuts on here with the dots, okay? I admit it. I got carried away, but I like it. Another cut apart right here. I just fussy cut around, and then this flap opens up. And there's a place for a photo there. And then you got this in here. Super cute. Look at this. Love it. Believe. Amazing. I am with you always. And then I would just put all this stuff back in the pockets, and then those cut aparts hold that flap down for me. Just like this. And it turned out so super cute. Thanks guys so much for watching. This is what I created using the rest of my paper pad by Simple Stories. Faith Paperline. Thanks guys. Bye.